Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can go and watch them. So in today's lecture, we are going to be discussing about one of the most important topics in our Google Ads series, which is called Google Ads Keyword Research. Okay, so for this tutorial purpose, we'll be using Google Keyword Planner for researching keyword. Okay, so without further ado, let's get it started. For accessing Google Keyword Planner, we need to go to the Tools and Settings option and need to go to the Keyword Planner section. And we can see the two options available here. Like first one is Discover New Keywords, and the second option is Get Search Volume and Forecast. Okay, so for this video, I'll be going through this first option, and in later video, I'll be discussing about Get Search Volume and Forecast options. Okay, so let's click on Discover New Keywords. So here we can see two options available, like start with keywords. I can start with keywords and I can start with websites. So I'll be selecting the first one, start with keyword, and they're suggesting us to give some keywords here. Okay, so we'll give it in later. Okay, so the next option is the language targeting here. So you can target the language as per your requirements. You can see bunch of targeting options available here for languages. Okay, so you can customize these options as per your requirements. Okay, for me, I'm happy with targeting English. Okay, the next option is location targeting. Okay, so I will be targeting United Kingdom. Okay, I'll click on target. I'll click on save. Okay, so for this tutorial purpose, I'll be using this website. Okay, so it is a dental care service. Okay, so I'll be using the keywords that is related to dentist or dental services. Okay, so let's give some keywords here, like best dentist in London here, best dentist in London, dental service in London, dental service near me. Okay, so I will go with those three keywords option. You can give your landing page URL here. For me, I will not give it here. So I'll click on get results. So we can see 2253 keywords ideas are available here. Okay, so here the first option, we can see the keywords that we just put. Okay, the next option is our targeted country, and next option is our language. Then we can select it as Google search partner. Okay, then we can see the date range here, like those keywords are showing on the basis of last 12 months data. So if we can customize it like last 24 months data, then it will be shown the data based on last 24 months. So I'll select last 12 months. Okay, then they are suggesting us some keywords to broaden our search. Okay, so we can see the keywords by relevance option here, and the next option is average monthly searches. Average monthly searches shows the average number of searches for this keyword and its close variants based on the month range as well as the location and search network settings you selected. You can use this information to see how popular your keywords are during different times of the year. 3 month changes. 3 month change shows a 3-month change in search trend by comparing the latest month's data with the data from 2 months prior. For example, if the latest month is July, the July data would be compared to May to show change in search volume over 3 months. Okay, the next option is year-on-year change. Compares the monthly search volume of the latest month with the same month the previous year. The next option is add impression share. Add impression share is the number of impressions that you have received divided by the total number of searches for the location and network you are targeting that matched the keyword exactly in the last calendar month. This metric can help you identify potential opportunities. This keyword has to get impression and clicks. If we don't have enough data, then you will see the dash option. So for us, we don't have enough data. That's why it is showing dash option. So if you run a real campaign, because this is the dummy campaign, so if you run a real campaign, then you could show the impression share data. Okay. Then the next option is top of the page bid low range. Top of the page bid low range shows the lower range of what advertiser have historically paid for a keyword's top of the page bid based on your location and search network settings. The average CPC of your keywords may vary. Okay. Then the next option is top of the page bid high range. Top of the page bid high range shows the higher range of what advertiser have historically paid for a keyword's top of the page bid. Based on your location and search network setting, the average CPC of your keywords may vary. Okay. So you can customize the column. So if you want to increase the column, you can select it from here and click on apply. Then you can see more columns available here, like account status, competition, indexed value, organic impression share, organic average positions. Okay. So we can see the keyword ideas available here. Okay. So we can see dentist near me, 100K to 1 million, 3-month change, 0% year-on-year change, 0% competition is low, top of the page bid range 87 cent, and top of the page bid high range 3.76 cent. Okay, so I can take some keywords for using in our campaign, like I'm taking this one, dentist near me. Dental clinic near me, looks good. Emergency dentist near me. Teeth whitening near me. So what you can do, you can make multiple ad group related to those keywords. Okay. So for this tutorial purpose, I'm keeping it as normal. Okay. But you can make more ad groups according to your keywords. Okay. Private dentist near me. Dental practice. No, I'll not take this keyword. So you can take those keywords as per your requirements. So it is looking good. So for me, I'll not take any of them right now. Okay, so you can take the keywords as per your requirements. Okay. So we can see the add filter option here. Like we can filter our keywords. Okay. So we can filter it in many ways. Like we can filter it according to keywords, like if keyword contains dentist service, I'll click on apply, then the keyword related to dentist service will appear here. Like it is showing only one keyword has contained dentist service. Okay, so I will change the keyword, like I will keep it only dentist. Okay, let's see how many options. Okay, we can see bunch of keywords are available here that contains dentist. Okay, like dentist near me, emergency dentist near me, private dentist. Okay, so we can add filter using competition, like I want to target those keywords that have competition of those have medium competition. Okay, so the keywords those have medium competition will be appeared here. You can see all of those keyword have has medium competition. Okay, so I can filter it according to impression share, but we don't have enough impression share available here, so I can filter it using top of the page bit low range. Like I want to target those keyword that has CPC greater than or equal $1. Okay, I'll click on apply. So top of the page bit low range, $1 keyword will be appeared here. Okay, you can see it. So you can filter it as per your requirements. Like you can filter it using top of the page bit high range, competition, index value, organic impression share, organic average position, exclude keyword. Okay, so I would suggest you to go through all of those options that you need to. Okay, then the next option is we can clear all the filters. Okay, so we can refine the keywords here. Like we can define keywords using brands or non-brands, using service. Okay, we can see non-brands, dentist, school, other brands. So you can customize it as per your requirements. We can customize it using, we can define it using service, healthcare facility, professional, others. Okay, so you can use those options according to your requirements. And we can see the keyword group view option here available. Like if I use group view, then it will give us some keywords according to group. So I think this is the best ways to theme your keyword group, because they are giving us some groups according to the keywords. Like the first option is children's dentist. That means in this group, our keyword will contain children's dentist, like children dentist near me, dentist children near me. So it is one of the best options, I think, for theming your keyword. So you can use it. Like we have practical practice near, we have 5 keywords. Mm, we have dental surgeon. So yeah, you can take those keywords as per your requirements and you can group them. So I will keep it as keyword view. Then we can download those keywords that we have researched, okay, in CSV format, and we can take those keywords in our Google Sheets, okay. Then we can forecast the keywords using those keywords, but I'll show it in later video. We can plan those keywords. Like if I want to plan them and use it in future campaign, I can do it. Like I'll click on plus button. I will select an ad group. I will name it as keyword plan. I will click on create. I'll give those keywords here. I'll click on save. So you can see it has been saved and you can use it in your campaign. Okay, so we can use negative keywords here. So I'll not use any negative keywords here. So yeah, and the another option we'll be talking about the a keyword with start with a website option. Okay, so I will give a website URL here. I'll click on get results. So Google will give some keywords according to our websites, okay? Like a dental appointment, an appointment with the dentist, best college to for dentistry, best dental. So you can use those keywords as per your requirements, but most of the cases I use start with keywords. I don't use the start with a website option. So yeah, so you can use both options as per your requirements, but if you want some suggestions from me, then I would definitely recommend to use this option. Okay, so hopefully you have a clear understanding on keyword research using Google Keyword Planner. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you like our video. And if you like our video, you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. Yeah, you have a good day then. Bye bye.